Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert from unkertmedia.com here. In this video, we're going to look at how to make Sublime Text 4 look like Sublime Text 3 and Sublime Text 2. Okay, a little bit of housekeeping first though. This will probably be my last video before the Christmas holiday. Also, I am starting a Rumble channel just to diversify my video platform. If you go to Rumble, that's at Timothy Unkert is the name of the channel. All right, but I will be still posting on YouTube. So anyways, wanted to make that announcement and get that out of the way. Okay, so let's check out Sublime Text. So I have Sublime Text. This is the default look of Sublime Text 4. I'm using a font called Inconsolata for this video, but basically it has this Mariana color scheme. And it has this, the white here and everything like that, and these like little bit of rounded tabs. Okay, so the first thing you might go is, well, Sublime Text 3, they had angled tabs. So how do I do that? Well, I can go to this menu here and I go to Preferences and to Settings, or what I like to do is Control-Shift-P and just start to type Preferences, and you'll see Settings comes up, okay? And I can click on the settings here. You notice I have a few settings like font face, font size, a little bit larger for this video, the line padding on the bottom and top. And what we can do is we can do File _Tab _Style, and we can do angled, okay? And that's going to give us the angled tabs of Sublime Text 3. Now we can go, the default theme for Sublime Text 4 is Mariana, but for Sublime Text 3, it was Mimicking. That's still available. You don't have to install anything else. So we can go to the UI and we go Control-Shift-P, type in UI, and we'll select Color Scheme, and we go to Mimicking. Okay, so now we've got more of a Sublime Text 3 look. Additional thing I like to do is just hide the menu here. I use Control-Shift-P. The keyboard shortcut's a lot more. Okay, so we've got it look more like Sublime Text 3 now, but let's say you wanted some of the color schemes from Sublime Text 2. Well, those are actually built into Sublime Text 4. You just have to enable the legacy color schemes. To do that, we'll go back to our settings. So Control-Shift-P, start to type Preferences. So Preferences, Settings, hit Enter. And we're just going to make another line down here, which is show _legacy _color _schemes, and we're going to set that to true. Okay, and I'll save it. I'm going to close out this, and I'm going to do Control-Shift-P again, type in UI, and then select color scheme. And we can go and select some of the legacy color schemes from Sublime Text 2. Okay, so we have Solarized Light, Solarized Dark, Slush and Poppies is a famous one, Pastels on Dark, and Mimicking Bright, which is, I think, the default Sublime Text 2 one. And then we have Magic Amica, then this Mac Classic one, which is really nice if you like light themes. Has good contrast. My eyes have astigmatism, so it works well for me. We have Lazy, iPlastic, Idle, Espresso Libre, which is pretty nice. Eiffel, which is another nice light one. Dawn, another nice light one. Kind of looks a little bit Atom 1 Light-ish. Cobalt, Blackboard, Amy, All Hallows Eve, and then we go to the autumn. Okay, I'm going to put it on Mimicking Bright, so we're going to go for that Sublime Text 2 look. And to do that, we're going to need to install one package. So first off, we're going to, well, two packages, because we have to install package control. To do that, we're just going to start to type package, and you see it comes view package file and install package control. We want to do install package control and hit enter. It says package control was successfully installed. And now I can go Control-Shift-P and start to type package again. And you see this stuff pops up, and I can go on down to install package and click enter. And it's going to take a moment, and then the packages are going to come up, and I'm going to type in legacy. And then we have this theme, legacy. Okay, so this is Sublime Text 2's default theme with Retina graphics. That's what we want. All right, for our Sublime Text 2 type look. Okay, So we're going to go ahead and let's see if that's installed. I can list the packages. I see it's installed. I want to enable it. So I'm going to do Control-Shift-P, type in UI, go up to Select Theme, go down to Legacy. And we've got the nice legacy theme of Sublime Text 2. So now our Sublime Text 4 looks like Sublime Text 2. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I have over 900 videos on the channel right now. I put up a lot. Some are good, some aren't, but a lot of good topics. So consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.